Tita, look at me. Hi.
Hey, Tabletop, can you do something for me?
Hi, Mark. What can I do for you? I can tell you the current weather, the weather forecast, or a story. Also, I can dance to the ambient music or play a song and dance.
Can you tell me the current weather?
Yes, of course. The current temperature is minus 20 degrees Celsius and it feels like minus 25 degrees Celsius. Humidity is 25% and wind speed is 5 kilometers per hour.
Can you sing me a song?
I cannot do that.
Can you tell me a story?
Yes, of course. There once was a little robot named T-Top who lived in Robot City. He was alone and did not have any friends. So, he decided to start an adventure in the city to find other robots. He finally found a friend in the robots' university named Sammy. They were in perfect sync.
Can you play a song and dance?
Yes, of course.
It's just how it's just how one day